हाय आई एम सपना फ्रॉम 104.8 इश्क एफएम। और इश्क एफएम जाना जाता है उसके म्यूज़िक के लिए। इश्क एफएम जाना जाता है बहुत सारी इश्क की बातों के लिए। एंड इट्स अ परफेक्ट टाइम टू इंट्रोड्यूस टू द होल क्रू ऑफ इश्क विश्क राइट नाउ। आई थिंक इससे ज़्यादा कनेक्टिविटी मैं किसी और क्रू के साथ या मूवी के साथ नहीं फील कर पाई जो मैं आज कर रही हूँ। कंग्रेचुलेशंस गाइज फर्स्टली फॉर ऑल्सो हाईलाइटिंग हमारे स्टेशन का नाम इश्क विश्क। So इश्क विश्क से स्टार्ट करते हैं and you all look so pretty and gorgeous. Oh my god.
So do you.
And trailers are looking so amazing. It's very promising. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। गाने ने धूम ऑलरेडी मचा दी है। ठीक है, it has become the party anthem already. हमारे स्टूडियो में जोर से बजा के वो नाच रहे हैं। Everybody is doing that.
That makes us
Yeah, we'll do that. We should have one session in the studio also. Yeah.
just dance.
So tell इश्क विश्क आप सबके लिए इंडिविजुअली क्या है? जिब्रन, इश्क विश्क, how important do you think in life ishq is supposed to be?
Firstly, hello, how are you? Of course, ishq is one of the best feelings ever, and मुझे लगता है कि आज के ज़माने में लोग थोड़ा शॉर्टकट ले रहे हैं इसमें, तो दिल खोल के करो इश्क and बहुत मज़ा आता है, बहुत butterflies होते हैं,
Yeah.
so embrace it and enjoy. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
What should I tell you about? He said everything about ishq.
नहीं ये इंडिविजुअल सी इश्क का एक्सपीरियंस ना सबका डिफरेंट होता है। वर्ड एक है, कॉमन है, बट फीलिंग्स इसकी सब डिफरेंट होती है। सो यू टेल मी व्हाट इज
You know, मेरे लिए it has always been that feeling of butterflies in your stomach and a lightheadedness. Okay? Yes, I know. I've been saying this. Today he said it before me.
So you
My
copied
answer.
basically.
Basically.
अरे रे अच्छा
Actually felt it ever.
ओके
Well. Yeah, the feelings have come and gone, but you know the beauty of love and ishq is that हर टाइम जब होता है ना एक नयापन होता है एंड आई थिंक उसका ये अलग अलग सा नशा होता है
ओके
नहीं बात
आई हैव अ काउंटर क्वेश्चन टू दैट। यस आई एम कमिंग टू दैट। या हाँ
कितनी बार तो dot 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 I think the story continues it is a to be continued always
Okay.
throughout life but yeah it's just this feeling that I feel like you can never put into words. Yeah, it's always just it's felt.
Absolutely.
What do you think?
And it's a very positive, like you come from a very positive sort of like you know कि इश्क विश्क जितनी बार होता है तो इसको उस तरह से नहीं देखना चाहिए लोगों। इश्क जितनी बार भी होए फीलिंग सेम होनी चाहिए।
बिल्कुल।
दैट्स व्हाई इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड। रिबाउंड कैसा लगता है आपको? डू यू थिंक रिबाउंड इज द सोल्यूशन?
I love these questions. I love it.
Do you think rebound ever is a solution for a breakup or a nasty breakup and you think immediately you should, does it help or you are absolutely against rebounds?
See, to be honest with you, I am a very traditional girl. So I तो मुझे process करने में 10-15 दिन लग जाएंगे. लेकिन I do know for a fact that for the new age kids, rebound is a reality. And I feel like it's just something that we have to embrace.
Correct.
It's just part of the culture that we are in today. But personally, I am the one who will take my time and wait it out.
Wow.
And then possibly get into a relationship
क्या
again.
बात है, nice.
Rebound, I don't know.
Yeah.
Rohit, I'm passing on the question to you. Very well said. Gen Zs जो सोचते हैं, is it very similar to how old school love? Do you believe in old school love? How it used to be, that approach to a girl, can I buy you a drink वाला, या मैं आपकी क्लिप लगा दूँ, like you know, balcony के नीचे खड़े होके गिटार बजा दूँ, या you think all this was like so, you know, fairy tale and you don't want to do that? How Gen Z love stories are different, do you think?
सबसे पहले तो ये माइक नहीं है, हथौड़ा है. It's so heavy and it is so big. It's like a
Can I hold it?
This is a
very
sign
heavy.
कि मूवी अवार्ड लेने लेके
अरे
जाना।
क्या बात है.
So it's a,
Thank you.
वो प्रैक्टिस हम पहले ही करवा दे रहे हैं आपसे।
नहीं, I think Gen Z. Sorry, what was the question? I got very distracted.
How Gen Z love thing is very different from old school, and what do you think is the difference? Is it more, this is what you love and like more, or you think कि I was born उस ज़माने में, I think that was a better way of doing love stories?
You know, I think I don't think I can make a blanket statement about what was better. कि पहले ज़्यादा अच्छा होता था या अब ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. In the sense, old school, the millennials, what they used to think is love versus what kids these days, like the Gen Zs, think is love. I think there's a certain sort of charm दोनों time में. I feel like अब की जो generation, I feel the Gen Zs, they're a lot more brave. They earlier, I feel this is, and again, can't make a blanket statement because I only know so much about it. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पहले कुछ भी decision लेने से पहले everyone would think a lot. But now it's like what's in my heart, what's on my mind is exactly what's happening. I don't want to think too much, I don't want to overthink, and I just want to go and do it. So I feel like there's a certain sort of charm about that also, that you don't overthink things and you just want to go and have an adventure in life, you just want to dance. But I feel like there's something really, really beautiful about the way people used to love earlier. I certainly, in the sense like there are in the Gen Z sort of world of love, I feel there are so many new things in the sense that there's a situationship and there's like there's benching,
gaslighting, breadcrumbing.
all of those things.
Love bombing.
Yeah.
दाना जो देते हैं लड़के.
So I feel like I don't necessarily relate to that so much. I like as she said that I feel like I'm a little bit of an old school believer of the way things used to be back then. I like relationships to be very no nonsense, very clean.
You also come across as a person थोड़ा सा. तुम्हारी आँखों में वो है शिद्दत, वो है.
I love it. Thank you.
I'll come back.
But no, that's I think my understanding of what I feel like. There is no better way of loving. I think love is a feeling. I feel like if I had to describe love, I think it's a feeling of being home. I feel like how you go back home and you feel that level of safety and comfort and just security. I feel like for me that is what love is.
क्या बात है. What do you have to say?
What love is?
For you?
मेरे फादर का एक गाना है
हाँ.
ना तुम जानो ना हम.
Correct.
That is ये भीगा समा. I'm not singing, okay? उमंगे जवा मुझे इश्क ले जा रहा है कहाँ. That is इश्क. Go somewhere else. Fall in love. I love that feeling of being like absolutely in a dreamland.
Correct.
Just in your own khayalon mein, khwabon mein. That is love for me. But
Lovely.
also like home. Yeah, that is also there. It comes in so many forms. And
Guys, how is what kind of pressure are you feeling? Like you all have tasted 70mm screen बचपन में सबने, you have done it. But this is
for me, my
Yeah.
first, my
congratulations on that.
Thank you.
इसलिए
Thank
पूछिए
you.
overall ये अब बड़ी screen पे दिखने का first movie, how is the feeling? Butterflies in your tummy and pressure at the same time, because now we are in the world of being trolled a lot also. ये पहले के actors को नहीं झेलना पड़ता था. अब तो लोग मतलब तैयार बैठे हैं कि आप आओ तो सही कैमरे के आगे शुरू हो जाता है. So are you ready, prepared for it? And how much do you think it's gonna really affect you as an actor, or you have already guarded and put that shield on कि कुछ भी हो जाए फर्क नहीं लगवाना है? क्या है scene अभी?
So, of course, it is very daunting, very scary. You want to be perceived well, but in that, if you get negative comments, firstly, it's very important, I feel like, to discern what is constructive criticism from that
Wow.
and what is just not meant to be listened to.
Correct.
And that constructive criticism is very important. That can come from you to a certain degree when you see yourself, but different people have different perspectives. So I'm going to go approach it with the thought that I will see how I can get better. And if I go with blinkers on my eyes and say that, okay, from here you have to get better and find ways to get better, then I feel like I might be able to deal with everything with a little less pressure.
Wow. What is exactly आप लोग की equation of camera, off stage? Because when it's like bunch of people work together, actors, of course एक camaraderie बन जाती है, chemistry होती है. So how is the equation? Off camera I guess here, what exactly and how much of friendship have you felt while being on the sets?
So, you were right.
Yeah.
So this definitely
it's been a very nice journey, touch
हाँ,
wood till now.
हाँ.
क्योंकि even as you say, you know, we've heard a lot of stories जब इतने एक्टर होते हैं
हाँ.
तो ये होता है वो होता है. हम चारों में नहीं है वो. हम like you know Pashmina said, we auditioned together.
Correct.
We had our whole workshops together.
हाँ.
Our producers, our directors, we are like one, you know, nice, cute family. Less people, sweet people, and I think whenever we go wrong, also, one of us will come and say, you know, कि boss, you can do this better. You know, आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा
Open
हो
to
गया.
suggestions
Yeah,
and feedbacks.
I feel that way somewhere it's helped each one of us. कि like for example, if we're doing a scene, like you know, he'll be like, chill kar, you know, like you don't need to get so tensed
worked
with
up
your
about, हाँ,
things.
हाँ.
So that has been a journey, and I feel that's how it should be also, ma'am, because it really helps as actors, you know, when you have a good friendship happening.
Correct.
You can be honest with each other. So I don't think so. वो सब था हम लोग के बीच में.
And
सबसे
I feel like, can I
Yeah.
add to this?
Yeah.
I feel like your friendship grows when, you know,
Yes.
when it comes to a point of contention and then you resolve that. So we've all had our fights also. It's not like
But
we've
you
been
also
like, oh, I
feel
love
that
you, I
this
love
is going to
you.
go long because it's your first film together and
Yeah,
this is how
I
you
feel like
debuted
I am bonded to these people.
for life.
I would be their friends for life. I would take advice from them for life because I really value and trust it as well. And that's also a lot to do with the fact that we did fight, and after 5 minutes we
Wow.
would be like, "Arey chal, chhod."
सबसे romantic कौन है आप सब में? Who you think is like most dreamy, romantic?
Rohit.
Rohit? Oh, Rohit.
Definitely Rohit.
Love letter boy. Oh my God. Please elaborate.
I don't think I can elaborate. They should say
Yeah.
how I did it.
What is
Before
it?
before the filming of the filming started in Dehradun, each one of us had a bouquet of flowers with a little note from Rohit in our room. Not a normal
Like
bouquet.
they were like big bouquets, you know. So we entered our room.
Beautiful.
And there was this. I still remember it was a Lily's का big bouquet. Like you know, normally हम दे रहे थे 500,000 रुपए वाला. इसने तो
Man with a
surpass ही कर
plan,
दिया.
just not
Yeah.
words, right?
And
this is what you are.
He is the lover boy, you know. So all
Amazing.
his Sarafians and all the
Gestures
way
and
they
every-
perceive him, he is that boy. He is what he shows he is. He doesn't pretend. So हम चारों में से सबसे ज़्यादा romantic तो यही
But
है.
he's like, he's not just like that with a partner. He will give equal love to his friends.
Wow.
So that's what, when we said in the beginning, love comes in different shapes and different forms.
Wow.
So he gives. बहुत हो
कोई
गया.
ना चले.
अभी कुछ
अरे
और.
रे. रोहित, who do you feel कि सबसे unromantic इस सब में कौन है?
And I honestly, like, I'm a little envious of that because I feel like if I had that sort of practicality, my life would be a lot more sorted and like less confused. And I feel like that practicality, I think Naila has a lot.
Yeah.
Like she's very on point like that. I don't think unromantic would be the right word, but I do
This is
feel
how-
that
how
she's
she
a
deals
lot.
with-
Yeah. She's very like on point
Emotional
with
intelligence शायद इसको
her. Yeah,
कहा जाता
a
है,
very
right?
in control of.
Intelligence, yes.
Yeah, I feel like she's very in control of her feelings. Is what I think.
मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं है.
How do you deal with your breakup या क्या होता है रोना?
No, I mean,
Okay.
like everybody else, yeah. Like it's hard. It's always a very bad thing जब एक रिश्ता टूटता है. So of course it takes time.
Are you comfortable like crying in front of your friends and are you like
yeah, I cry
vulnerable?
a lot.
Or you think मैं लड़का हूँ मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता
No,
है,
no,
वाला
no.
नहीं ना?
I don't come from that thought process, and I feel in fact men who cry are way more alpha than ones who don't.
Absolutely,
Emotionally
absolutely.
intelligent.
हाँ. Okay. And how do you deal with your breakups and what is your process of like you grieve, you take your time, sad गाने सुनती हूँ या मैं
रोती
स्टड बन
हूँ.
जाती हूँ.
अरे shut up.
हाँ.
मैं रोती हूँ. अपने आप खुद रोती हूँ. दोस्तों के साथ रोती हूँ.
मैं खुद रोती हूँ.
पेरेंट्स के साथ सबको रुलाती हूँ. टेप रिकॉर्डर की तरह चलते रहती हूँ. No, I cry a lot. In fact, I think I cry every day. Once in a day, I cry for something or the other. Like even if I see a video that is just like of somebody else, I'll cry, and I feel like it's emotional. I'll cry. So when I have a breakup,
Yeah.
imagine how much I
Everything
cry.
is hard.
Yeah.
Just mentioning you. So we'll wrap with this one question. What is the vision of Ishq Wish Rebound? ये of course remake है. तो Shahid Kapoor and Amrita, and now you guys are going to do that. So to be in the shoes, how is the pressure, and what story, what is the takeaway for people? What kind of a emotion this film has and what people, why should they come and watch the movie?
So, firstly, it's not a remake. It's not even
Sort
a
of a-
sequel.
yeah.
No,
Okay.
it's the same film. No, not the same film either. It's a film in the franchise, same
Oh,
franchise.
yeah.
You don't know it. He went
It's
like,
okay. ठीक है.
so
Same franchise.
a same franchise. Okay, so what we can expect is a lot of love, lot of
Absolutely.
confusion.
But we need this
lot
clarity
of
also because a lot of people
friendship.
thinking it's
Yes.
a sequel and so generic.
I don't think I
thought
said
process
it the
people
most
have.
articulately.
हाँ?
Clarity confusion से गुजर के आती है. This is not my thought, it's a dialogue.
Okay.
That's not my thought.
I
Yeah,
just
yeah.
also feel like जैसे पहले इश्क विश्क में उस ज़माने का जो प्यार confusion इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार सब था वो ही हम एसेंस लेके 21st सेंचुरी का जो confusion and love है वो दर्शाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम. It's not a remake, it's not a sequel. It's that same essence of इश्क विश्क repackaged in today's day and age.
Wow.
So we're not emulating those characters. We're characters that you see around you today.
Correct.
And I think that is what makes this film relatable.
Is your character also very emotionally intelligent and how you
That you're
an
gonna
understatement.
that you're gonna find out.
not going to spill the beans
I'm
here,
not
right?
gonna spill the beans yet.
But just to add to this, I feel like to answer your question about pressure, I feel like it's very important for us to, and there was a time in the middle where with all the chatter about pressure, I think we all somewhere started feeling the pressure that wait 1 second. We set out to actually make a film which was about love and confusion, which just happened to have the same name as the previous
Yeah.
one. It belongs to the same franchise. So we never really expected any kind of comparison or anything like that. But at the same time, I do understand why, because Ishq Vishk, the first one was an emotion. For all the
Emotion,
millennials.
that's why.
For all the
People have
millennials.
their resonance with the film till date.
It's a cult.
People who watch. Yeah,
Absolutely.
it's a
So
cult.
I feel like it's only fair for people to kind of come in with a perception that, oh, you know what, you don't get to mess
Yeah.
up my emotion that I felt back those,
I know.
back in those days. But I also feel like for us, I think we've come to a point with enough conversation amongst each other and with our producers and just, I think dialogue with self is that we've tried to make a film about love and confusion and everything else that's relevant in a relationship in today's day and age. So I feel like pressure does not really exist in a world like that, because in all honesty we did what we thought was
एक दूसरे की थेरेपी कर ली है मतलब ऑलरेडी कि
मतलब I also
कुछ
feel
होगा
like
तो साथ में देख लेंगे ऐसा.
because and obviously like we are not going into it thinking that I remember you asking the first question that are you shielding yourself with all kinds of trolling. I
Yeah.
feel like where this is not nobody goes in thinking that hum to troll hone hi wale hain. And like she said, what trollers are basically nobody but like nameless, faceless people on the internet. So like I said, I feel like there's no pressure. We've all set out to just make a film about love, and I just want people to come in expecting that it's just a simple, sweet, heartfelt film about love and friendship, and it's a coming of age and confusion. That's about it. There's nothing more to
A
it.
lot of good music also.
Which has
Absolutely,
incredible
I've been,
music.
like, to raving about it.
Man, what is missing, right? Like right now in today's time, like there's a lot of action genre, thrillers.
Yes.
So we've just tried to bring that old romantic essence back, and आप लोग को मजा आएगा. Like just come with a good heart, and I'm sure we've done our best, and inshallah I hope we can really make you all proud.
I'm I'm very sure of it कि ये मूवी एक वो जेंजी तरीका जो प्यार करने का उनको आप थोड़ा you putting in place and trying to give some direction to it, not all over the place, and I'm really hoping that you will be able to do that.
Yes.
Like I said, trailers are looking amazing, very promising. So please invite your audience, tell them to be there.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah.
To all the listeners of Ishq FM, this is us, the cast of Ishq Vishk Rebound. We're coming to you in theatres on the 21st of June. Please come and watch us and let's celebrate love.
Thank you.